you heal others with your art. By that, yung healing is babalik din sa'yo. So it bounces back. So ito siya.
After 7 months, babalikan ko na tong challenge na to. Saan na nga ba napunta yung painting ni Juniko? Turning Rocks into a Million is back, and thank you guys for tuning back in. Samahan niyo ulit ako para ipagpatuloy itong challenge na to. Yung bato, gawin nating milyon. Tara! Okay, Turning Rocks into a Million project. Akala nyo nakalimutan na natin to, no? Pero hindi. We're still continuing. The challenge started around December 3 or 4, I think. So, umpisahan ulit natin. Since we lost a lot of days, kasi nga medyo naging busy din naman tayo, and and I thought it was easy doing this trading ng bato to a million. At may pagpapalit na natin yung ating painting sa isa ulit na painting na naman. Alright, I'm going to meet up this artist from Baguio City. It's been a few weeks already since I've messaged this guy. He said yes a few weeks back, pero hindi pa natin matitrade dun sa kanyang artwork. Kasi nga naka-exhibit pa siya dun sa, I think, Mount Data Hotel, tapos napunta ng Portavaga. Or the other way around, I'm not really sure. Pero ayun, today we're going to meet him and ipagpapalit ulit natin yung painting dun sa painting niya. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Sama ko nga pala si Basti, ang aking panganay. Yan, hawak niya yung painting. Dito tayo ngayon sa Ililikha. Say hi, Basti. What's up? Dadalhin natin yung painting kay... Yun, may nag-aantay na gwapo. Alright.
Thank you, brother. What's up?
Yan nga eh.
Hindi nakakaputi.
Alright, intayag to go tawan. Pagtungtungan tayo, Jayqua. Let's talk about the exchange.
Wow! Ganda ng background story nito. It's like a...
Alright, brother. What do you have for us?
So, hello sa ating mga viewers, mga nag-aabang sa ating Rocks to 1 million ba ang ating challenge?
Yes, sir. Sana.
So, ito siya.
Wow!
So, this is her. So, ayan, inspired sa inabal ang ating sculpture dito sa sides. Ayan. And as you can see, ito naman is a kind of painting na palitada. Yun yung style na ginamit natin, but here is realism. So ayan. This is the pond, the surfacing face, and ayan. Kapikita siya, she's resting. We have a beautiful woman here, a lady. It's dedicated for Women's Month during the exhibit of Pasacalye group of artists in the Baguio Museum. So kung makikita nyo, this is a combination of sculpture and acrylic on canvas. So this is actually a sculpture. It's a 3D pag matatouch mo siya. A 3D object. So this is impasto art styles yung ginamit natin sa ating mga flowers para magmukha pa rin lumulutang ang ating flowers sa water. Parang mixed media na siya because we have sculpture here on the side. After Women's Month, we transferred the exhibit sa Portavaga, and this was currently exhibited sa Portavaga. Ngayon kinuha po natin for a very good purpose, isang mission na exchange natin sa isang katulad niya din na napakagandang art, especially the story. So ayan, madami pa tayong mga art. You can visit Creative Igorot, that's my page for visual arts, and makikita nyo doon ang ating iba't ibang paintings, kaso wala na kasi sila sa galleries because may mga collectors na tayo. Visual arts ang pinakaunang passion ko. It started in my childhood. Drawing na ang nasa passion natin. And then, after that, nagkasabay lang sila konti with my passion in music. But after years went by na katapos tayo ng high school and college, wala na kasi yung mga opportunities sa school na kung saan active ka sa pag-drawing, pag-poster making, slogan. So sa college years, we already focused on music and performing arts. So napasama tayo sa teatro, sa singing contest, at doon medyo naiwan na natin ang passion natin sa visual arts. Recently lang, last year, 2024, tayo nagbabalik ng loob sa ating naiwang dreams nung bata tayo. So we have now some of the earliest pioneering pa rin tayo because I've just recently returned sa visual arts this 2024, ngayon 2025 na. So mag-1 year pa lang tayo. And buti naman hindi tayo iniwan ng ating gift. Hindi pa pinawi ni Lord. So we will be continuing to share it and inspire others with our art. So my advocacy is that this has been common. Sabi na you express yourself, your healing by doing art. My version is you heal others with your art. By that, yung healing is babalik din sa'yo. So it bounces back.
Thank you. May sabay.
So we have
Kyle or kay Excalibur. Galing. Grabe.
Kasla ako maken ka o danong hanapig siya hagayo sa agpababaing gana waya-waya.